how to link your Xbox account to Ubisoft account. So if you want to link your Xbox account to your Ubisoft account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for Ubisoft. And once you've searched for the Ubisoft, you need to go with the official website. Make sure that you've logged into your Ubisoft. Here on the top right, you will have the profile option. So you just need simply go with your profile and click on the account, go with continue. Now, after logging in, go with your profile again, and here you need to go with account management. From the account management, you need to go with the account information, and here you need to scroll down and you'll have linked accounts, right? So as you can see that I've already linked my Xbox with Ubisoft. So if you want to link your Xbox also, then you just need to simply go and find the Xbox on these options, and then you need to click on link. Once you click on link, it will ask you to log into your Xbox. You need to enter your information of your Xbox, and your account will be linked with your Xbox. That's how you can link your Xbox to your Ubisoft. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.